Anyhow, thought I'd do a little video today of the old Jeepster. Get her on the road. Anybody want to go for a ride? Let's go. Nice day today. Put my seatbelt on. Gonna do a little trip. One of my viewers out there, several months ago, maybe a couple years ago, so hey, why don't you do a video of you riding in the Jeepsters? Here we go. Do a little quick turnaround here. So I'm gonna cruise on about 70. I'm gonna give her a little gas here. Kind of hard to videotape and steer all at the same time, shift gears. Well, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the little ride. The old Jeepster is back on the road. Yeehaw! Well, today's the day. The old Jeepster is getting shipped out of here. Gonna be going to Denver, Colorado. It's time to get rid of one project and get ready to do another one. So, adios amigos, Jeepster. Nice knowing you. Had you since 2002. A lot of time, a lot of fun.